Struggling to climb stairs without pain? Or maybe it's that dull ache in your knees that shows up when you're gardening or walking through the grocery store. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people over 60 experience cartilage loss that leads to knee pain and stiffness. And if left unchecked, it can take away your independence, make daily activities harder, and even increase the risk of falls. I'm Dr. David Thompson, and my passion is helping seniors live healthier, more mobile lives. Today I'll share 7 foods that can actually help restore knee cartilage naturally. The best part? These are simple foods you already know, and you can start adding them to your diet today. So stick with me until the end, because I'll not only share the foods, but also how to put them together into a simple daily meal plan. And please, let me know in the comments if knee pain has been affecting your daily life. I'd love to hear your story. Food 1: berries. Let's begin with something sweet: berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are not just tasty snacks. They're packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which your body uses to build collagen. Collagen is the protein that makes up the cushion in your joints, keeping them strong and flexible. Here's the thing: without enough collagen, cartilage breaks down faster, leading to that grinding sensation in your knees. Berries fight inflammation and give your body the tools it needs to maintain cartilage. Practical tip: add a handful of berries to your morning oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. Even frozen berries work just as well, and are available year-round in the US, UK, and Australia. Imagine enjoying a sweet bowl of berries in the morning, while also nourishing your knees. Food number 2: salmon and fatty fish. Food number 2: salmon and other fatty fish like sardines and mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in the joints and improve lubrication. Think of it like oiling a rusty hinge. Your knees just move more smoothly. Here's how easy it is: grill salmon once or twice a week, or enjoy sardines on whole grain toast. If fresh fish isn't always available where you live, canned salmon or tuna is a convenient alternative. Studies show that seniors who eat omega-3 rich foods regularly report less morning stiffness and more mobility. Imagine being able to get up from your chair without wincing. That's the power of omega-3s. Food number 3: bone broth. Next, bone broth. This one often surprises people. Bone broth contains collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, the very same building blocks found in healthy cartilage. Sipping on a warm cup of bone broth a few times a week gives your body direct access to these nutrients. You can buy it pre-made in most supermarkets, or make it at home by simmering chicken or beef bones with vegetables. Think of bone broth as nourishing your joints from the inside out. Many of my patients find it comforting, especially during colder months. It's simple, it's soothing, and it works. Food number 4: leafy greens. Food number 4: leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli. These are loaded with vitamin K, calcium, and antioxidants that not only strengthen bones but also protect cartilage from further breakdown. Here's a tip: add spinach to your omelets. Toss kale into a salad, or steam broccoli as a side for dinner. It doesn't have to be complicated. Leafy greens also support overall energy and heart health, so by adding them, you're not just protecting your knees, you're strengthening your whole body. Picture yourself enjoying a morning walk in the park without stiffness. That's the gift of greens. Food number 5: turmeric and ginger. Food number 5: turmeric and ginger. These spices have been used for centuries for their healing properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. In fact, some studies show it can work as well as certain medications for joint pain. Add turmeric to curries, soups, or even warm milk. Ginger can be grated into stir-fries or brewed into tea for a soothing drink. These aren't just spices, they're natural medicines for your knees. Making them part of your daily routine can bring relief in a way that feels gentle and natural. Food number 6: nuts and seeds. Number 6: nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are packed with omega-3s, protein, and magnesium. All of these nutrients help your cartilage repair and reduce the inflammation that damages joints. Snack on a handful of nuts in the afternoon, or sprinkle flax seeds on your cereal. Simple changes like this can keep your knees and your heart and brain strong. Here's the thing: many seniors underestimate how much small snacks add up. Replacing cookies or chips with a handful of nuts is an easy win for your joints and your overall health. Food number 7: olive oil. And finally, olive oil. A staple in Mediterranean diets, olive oil is full of healthy fats and antioxidants that protect your cartilage. Regular use of olive oil has been linked to reduced stiffness and slower cartilage damage, Try using olive oil instead of butter when cooking, or drizzle it over your salad. It adds flavor while protecting your knees. Think about it. Something as simple as a switch in your cooking oil could mean years of smoother, easier movement. Now let's put this all together with a simple daily plan. Breakfast, oatmeal topped with berries and chia seeds. Lunch, a spinach and kale salad with grilled salmon and olive oil dressing. Afternoon snack, a handful of walnuts. Dinner, bone broth-based soup with vegetables and turmeric spiced chicken. And finish the day with a soothing ginger tea. See how easy that is? You're not overhauling your diet. You're just making smarter choices that feed your joints. Let's quickly recap. The 7 foods to restore knee cartilage naturally are berries, fatty fish, bone broth, leafy greens, turmeric and ginger, nuts and seeds, and olive oil. These foods fight inflammation, rebuild collagen, and protect cartilage. And when combined, they create a lifestyle that supports not just your knees but your whole body. Add gentle movement like walking or stretching, and you'll multiply the benefits. So imagine this. You wake up, stretch, and feel your knees move without pain. You head out for a walk, enjoy time with friends, or play with your grandkids, without that stiffness holding you back. That's what these foods can help you achieve. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments, which of these foods will you start with today? And here's a little teaser for you. Our next video is called Say Goodbye to Leg Cramps Forever with this simple drink. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until next time, I'm Dr. David Thompson. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep moving.